Cheaper dollies don't roll well, often break, and leave you stranded in the middle of a job. The Snap-Lock dolly system safely moves more in less time. Our line of professional E-Track dollies rolls so well with heavy loads, they make moving super easy. The Snap-Lock dolly saves you time and money because it's easy to use and built to last. Our four-sided steel frame and made in USA heavy-duty polyethylene construction will get the job done. The patented E-strap attachment moves more items per load. Straps can also be used as handles to safely control the load and protect against fall damage by holding items firmly in place. Only the Snap-Lock dolly quickly transforms when needed into a push cart or panel cart to safely move anything at every job. Multiple dollies can also be interconnected to move even the largest, bulkiest items. Finally, the perfect tool for everything you move. With a range of multi-surface casters to choose from and weight capacities from 1,200 to 1,800 pounds, only the Snap-Lock dolly is your perfect solution. To order, please contact Snap-Lock or any of our authorized dealers.